my spider roll. Yum. This is so much food, and I didn't even get my chicken yet, bro. You ever on a budget, right? And you only got so much money, and you need to make it last for like a week. Just come get hibachi. This food is just purchased Jayla Corion's new book. It's not new, actually. She's had it out for a while, but I missed it the first time she put it out. I'm so excited. These are like all the products she has out right now. And I was thinking about just going big and going home. But right now, I'm not even gonna lie, this is not in my budget is what I really need. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. But that's my girl. Go support if y'all don't already.
The next day.
So I'm trying to basically recreate what I saw the hibachi guy doing yesterday. So on the flat top, he just put garlic and butter and like cooked that. So that's done. Now I'm about to mix the vegetables through it with it, you know. So last night I had everybody's meal came with shrimp, and it also came with rice and noodles. But I had sushi, so I had leftover eel sauce and spicy mayo, and then I got chicken, and then I got a little veggies left and some yum yum sauce. I think I'm gonna just throw everything in together and hope that the flavors mix. And out of this, we'll have another meal for another day. And then I'll probably just add a little eel sauce on top. Eel sauce is the goat, period. So this is what we got now. And I'm basically just heating everything up. Y'all, this is really good. Like, I might have just did something. From now on, I'm meal prepping hibachi. Like, look at that. Look at that. With a little extra eel sauce and spicy. Bye.
3 hours later.
Yeah, I am in Plato's, and look what I found. A pair of Uggs. Cute. What did they do cute? $30. This top is super cute. I love it. I love the colors. I just wish the sleeves stayed at my wrist instead of being like that, but my hands are down. But I love it, and I'm working. So I'm just probably gonna get this, that t-shirt, this sweatshirt, and the purple pants. So let's go put this stuff away. I can't go out that way. Like, I gotta go back out the regular way. All right, that's what the stop sign is for, friend. You gotta stop. You're driving like a bat out of. I made it in Alta, y'all. Finally got my hands on another pair of these. I took the little, let me show y'all. I bought this from my house because I didn't want to forget the style. Also, I'm gonna pick up this ordinary things under my arms. Let's see if it works. Have you used this before? No. So start off with once a week. Oh, for your underarm? Yeah, even still with your underarm, it's very strong. Start off with once a week for like a month, and then build your way up from there. Okay. Have you used it before? Yeah, I use it on my face. Oh, okay. And my underarm, and my hair actually. I got a Cobb salad. It just came stacked up like this, so I'm gonna start getting this more often. Hopefully it's always like this. But they didn't give me my dressing, so I gotta go back in there.
The next day.
Hey y'all, I'm going into Walgreens right now. I need a moisturizing conditioner for after I use this medicated. Oh, this is a shampoo and a conditioner, $6. Hey y'all, excuse me, I'm back from the store. This is what I ended up getting. So I'm gonna do this, put some food in the air fryer, and then let it sit while the food is cooking. I kept running out of storage for some reason. So somebody please tell me why wraps, tortillas cost $6?
Price plus card scanned. Place item on scale. 1.
cilantro for the recipe is online. A jalapeno, a mango, roasted chicken. You realize this sauce is really good. I feel your honesty down to your roots. See the way the sun is shining on your truths. And then salt, pepper. Y'all, not me scraping the what's this thing? I am about to make something called a Libra cake. One drop. This is where I belong. As you grow, I'll grow along. It's weird.
The next day.
Downtown, y'all. I'm about 2 minutes, 3 minutes from what you call it, my Pilates class. I ain't eat all day. It's about to be 5:30, so I just grabbed one of these little bag of pretzels that I keep in my car, and I had some leftover chicken and mango. I don't know what it's called, but I made it and it's good. So I'm trying to hurry up and eat this. That dip and pretzel was a hit. I like that. I'm here. I just parked. I'm trying to see if I need to pay for parking. I don't have to, but I also don't want to get a ticket. Okay, it says Monday through Friday, 8 to 6, $2 per hour. It's 5:30. I'm not paying. We're gonna wing it and pray that the people don't come. That's where I'm going via class pass today. And I'm about to cross the street. I'm at my new job. I did not think this through. I don't know why I thought I was some kind of mathematician. This middle school math, baby. Like, can y'all see? This is a lot. Being in Walgreens was not on my bingo card. It really wasn't. Anything to help with red, what do you call this? Pink eye. Because apparently that's what I got on the day where I have to do people's makeup. I'm kind of furious, but I'm trying to control myself. Yeah, it's 10:29. It's a whole bunch of people rushing in. But I'm here. Here, y'all. The girls is getting ready. Got a hairstylist. Or her outfit is fire. Makeup artist is setting up. People are practicing. My models aren't here, so I'm just kind of waiting, I guess. My eye is doing much better.
Guys, all right, so resume the thing. So everyone are here. It is now 11:20. So we're trying to make sure all this stuff is clear up by 1 o'clock. So we're gonna, you have your artist, you have your person, you have a lot of things to get through. So give them as much as you can, but then let's keep moving through, okay?
car is just like not bright. But anyway, everything went really good. I was trying to get like short form content. I'm trying to make a TikTok reel, whatever, for Instagram. So I didn't really like record a lot the horizontal YouTube way, and I apologize. I can't do everything. But yeah, I am very good. I'm glad I came. It was beautiful. Where do I know if the car is cold or hot so I can pull off? I'm confused. So I'm about to just, I don't want to. All that ding beeping, I don't like that. Well, like I was saying, child, I'm ready to eat the rest of my food. Shout out to my dad for letting me use his car. I'll turn the lights off. I don't know how to turn the lights off, y'all. Oh, figured it out.